Making sure that your home does not contain elevated levels of deadly radon gas is one of the most important steps that you'll ever take in protecting yourself and your loved ones from the ravaging effects of lung cancer. There are several key points that every homeowner and potential homeowner should know about radon gas and the available testing options to make sure that your assessment level in your home is as reliable as possible. First, what is radon? Radon is a Class A carcinogen, which means that it's been proven to cause cancer in humans. As a matter of fact, over 22,000 people in America will die this year from lung cancer due to radon gas exposure in their home. Radon is the leading cause of lung cancer in non-smokers. Radon is a radioactive gas that comes from the soil and rocks as part of the natural breakdown process of uranium. Now, the concentration of uranium varies throughout the country, but there is some present in all soils. And that's why the EPA and Surgeon General recommend that every home be tested for the presence of radon gas. Now, you may be surprised to hear, but dangerously high levels of radon have been found in every single state. And the only way to find out if your home has elevated levels of radon is to have your home tested. There are 3 types of tests available to measure radon levels. The first is a do-it-yourself passive device that's available at your local hardware store. Now, these should never be used by professional home inspectors, so make sure that if your inspector is using passive devices, you should just ask him where he gets those. Their availability may be viewed as a positive, but widespread use by untrained testers and uncontrolled testing conditions raise concern. Now remember, these are dumb devices and they cannot monitor conditions required by EPA protocol to ensure testing accuracy. Their sensitivity to a lot of environmental factors like temperature, humidity, and airflow can easily cause false readings. It's very easy to interfere with these devices, either inadvertently by placing them too close to other objects or placing a sheet of paper on them, intentionally by moving them, or simply by closing them up. Now next is the low-tech, low-sensitivity electronic monitors, which are purchased and used by many home inspectors simply because they're cheap, and it allows them to operate under the radar screen of the National Proficiency Program and some of the state licensing programs. While these devices are often referred to as continuous monitors, their low sensitivity of less than 18 counts per hour per picocurie per liter of air means that they do not meet the single device testing options for real estate testing, and 2 devices must be placed side by side for a valid and proper test. They may be a little bit better than passive devices, but there can only be minimal assurance that these monitors are maintained and properly calibrated. And then we have the true professional's choice, Radon radon monitors. Quite simply, the most advanced, reliable, and accurate radon monitoring systems on the market today. These monitors are precise, highly sensitive, and available only to qualified home inspectors and radon testing specialists. Radon affiliates are trained and certified to perform radon tests that you can depend on. Because Radon leases their equipment to the inspectors rather than selling direct, you can be sure that every test result generated by the Radon system has been completed with a machine that has undergone regular maintenance and calibration to ensure quality, accurate tests every time. Going above and beyond, Radon has a measurement specialist review every test prior to releasing the results to make certain that there were no problems that were encountered during the test. Power and tilt sensors are built into every unit to help detect tampering that would invalidate the test. Best of all is the industry-leading, easy-to-read report that is generated and emailed to the client within an hour of the test completion. This report includes hourly readings of radon levels, temperatures, humidity, and barometric pressure that helps to assess adherence to the protocol and track false high readings due to severe weather. Simply stated, a Radon radon monitor in a controlled environment and operated by a certified professional provides the most accurate radon results available today. Radon testing and your family's health is far too important to leave to chance. Radon affiliates are part of the largest radon testing network in the world today and are held to the highest standards. Radon is focused on eliminating radon-related deaths by raising awareness, providing education, and innovative technology with superior accuracy and professionalism. If you have any questions about radon testing or Radon equipment, feel free to give Radon a call at 1-800 295-4655.